Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Acurast token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Acurast is the first decentralized verifiable compute network powered by phones. Acurast is redefining compute by utilizing billions of smartphones. No data center required. This verifiable, scalable, and confidential compute network enable users to run secure applications on decentralized infrastructure at scale without compromising speed of privacy. Acurast has already onboarded 56,000 phones worldwide, making it the most decentralized verifiable compute network available today. This impressive amount of compute already powers mission critical workload with high security and all requirements. This is not just another network, it is a game changer that redefining how the world computes. Acurast token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supplies around 217 million ACU token. ACU token is listed on Binance Alpha, KuCoin, Kraken and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 80% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.